Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about a review of various expert advisors that we have been using in the past and also recently. But in the last few videos, I mentioned that due to the elections and other reasons, we stopped trading with the expert advisors in the month of October in the start itself. And later on, we started trading with those expert advisors on, on few of the real and few of the demo accounts during these volatile sessions, and just wanted to check that how these expert advisors are going to perform or are performing in these volatile sessions during these unexpected and high speculated and manipulated times. Okay, so this is just a review of a few of the expert advisors that we have been trading recently and in the past. Okay, so and I have just created a video on the gold expert advisors also, where we have chosen like 4 to 5 gold expert advisors, and we have compared the performance of all of them during these sessions. And now this is for the currency pairs. Okay, and this is my portfolio, like my FX book, and you will find the link over there, and you can just scroll, just click on that, and you will find all these, like and you can just check it out, like whatever you can just compare the performance of various expert advisors, including gold over here. Okay, so let's go here. So first of all, this is the don't bother expert advisor. You can check the videos of don't bother expert advisor, don't bother EA in my YouTube videos. And we started from October 14 and today is November 15. So this is what the time duration that I was just thinking for 1 month, because most of my expert advisors, I mean, most of my VPS are going to expire this month. And then probably like these all expert advisors will be closed itself. But this 1 month was very crucial, and how these expert advisors have performed, this is the most important part. So this is the don't bother expert advisor from October 14 till November 15. The maximum drawdown was 1.21%, and monthly is around 3.75% so far. Okay, and this is the statistics here. So you can check the don't bother expert advisor videos in my YouTube channel itself. Okay, so let's go to the other one. Okay, so this is the new setting of the hedge expert. Okay, new setting with the hedge expert, and okay, so this is the statistics. You can check the hedge expert advisor videos in my YouTube channel itself. In this, we are trading with 5 pairs on 5 different pairs. Okay, so the maximum drawdown so far was 8.11%, and the monthly was around 4.02%. Well, I have not created a video on this EA earlier, okay, in my YouTube channel. But in case, uh, like if you like the performance or anything, then you can just check it out. Well, the drawdown was like 17%, and the monthly is around 2.32%. I would not say not bad, because the market was too volatile, and we were trading with 3 pairs. So the performance is okay. I would not say it's too bad, and I would not say it's too good. But yes, it has sustained in these time. Actually, that is also very important. And then we will go to, okay, this is GPPMPU. This is GPPMPU. You can check the performance of these expert advisors in my YouTube channel, and this is how it has performed. The maximum drawdown was 17.48%, and the monthly is around 38.24% that it has provided so far. Okay, this is November 15 in 1 month. Today, almost 0.86%. This week, 6.03%. This month, 10.73%. And this is the statistics here. Okay, so this is GPPMPU, and I mean, the EA name is GPPMPU. Like you can, and the link that I have just like shorted because there are limited characters that I can mention. So I just mentioned GP260 just for my identification. Okay. Okay. So I have not created any video on this expert advisor as well. Okay. But still, you can just let me know, like in case if you have any question about this expert advisor, you can just let me know about this much of name. So I will be able to identify that. Anyways, this expert advisor, we will trading with 5 pairs. Not 5 pairs. Okay. And this is like, we made like around 11.50% is the maximum drawdown, and the monthly is around 9.58%. So today we didn't made anything so far. I just want to make sure about few things. So yes, we were trading with 5 pairs. Okay, because generally like for 5 pairs I used to deposit more, but on 1000 we are trading with 5 pairs on this. Okay, and this is also available in my FX book itself. But to identify, you can just tell me this much of name, so I would be able to understand. Now next comes is Quant Forex. Okay, this is on the real account because this EA doesn't trade all the time and very doesn't trade too often. So from October 16 till November 7. Okay, I'm not sure. I need to check whether the VPS is still continuing because there is no trade after November 7 in last 1 week. So I just need to check whether the VPS is still running. But anyways, the maximum drawdown is 0.18% and the monthly is around 1.1% so far. From October 16 till November 7. Okay. And this is the statistics here. Longs won 100%, shorts won 90%, and the profit factor 7.42. Okay, that's pretty impressive actually. Okay, so this is Quant Forex. I just mentioned QNT 2. Okay, because there are limited characters that I can mention the title. So this is again a different setting on GPPMPU, and in this setting actually the drawdown is just 11% and the monthly is around 70.34%. Okay, that is too huge. But however, the high profitability brings high risk as well. And during these volatile sessions, it is very good to check like how the expert advisors are performing in these volatile sessions. Okay, so today almost 1%, this week almost 10%, this month almost 30.79%, this year 71.95%. From October 16 till November 15. Okay, in 1 month, this result is pretty impressive. Okay, these are the statistics in front of you. Okay, so we started with like on 10,000, right? And we started with 0.50 lot size on this. Okay, so this is GPPMPU, and that was another video on GPPMPU. This was different setting, and this one is different setting. This one also the broker is different actually. This is on IC market, and this one that is on Octa FX. Okay, this is GPPMPU, and now this is another expert advisor that I have not created the video so far on it. But yes, again, the same thing. The drawdown is 16.89 and the monthly is around 4.66. Not bad, and not very impressive. I would not say, I would say this is okay. This is fine. I would not say this is bad actually, because during these time, actually, the one has to sustain. It is very important actually. Okay, so this is just on 1 pair, and this is on 2K, 2000 deposit. Okay, because the setting of every expert advisor is different, and these are the statistics. So longs won 72%, shorts won 81%. So, okay, that's okay. That's decent actually. Now this one Sniper Dog. Sniper Dog, we were trading in the past, and you can check the previous videos in my YouTube channel. And so the maximum drawdown was 33.93%, and we were trading with 5 pairs on this. And so far, the monthly is around 4.32%. And these are the statistics. Okay, longs one 72% and shorts one 100%. That's pretty impressive. And the profit factor is 4.73. Okay, that's great. So almost I don't see any trade after November 7th. So maybe, I'm not sure if the GPS is still running, but I just need to check it out. And anyways, these statistics are in front of you, and you can just check it anytime you want. This is another expert advisor that I have not created any video so far. But yes, this is in front of you. Like in case if there is anything, you can just let me know the short name. Okay, so I would be able to identify, because there was limited character that I can put. So I just created some kind of numbers or some kind of name so that I would be able to understand. So that's pretty impressive actually. 1.84% is the maximum drawdown, and the monthly is around 3.36%. Okay. And it is all balance and equity, all okay. October 15 we started, October 16 we started, and November 15. Okay, so that's pretty impressive. And well, I'm not happy with this, but yes, anyways, the results are good. Shorts 160%, longs 128%, profit factor 1.68, but these numbers are pretty good. 1.84 and monthly is 1.36%. That's pretty impressive. Okay, and this is this one. So guys, I have mentioned a link in the video description. You can just check it out, and you can just click on that, and you will be able to navigate to my Forex book. Okay, and here you will be able to see like which year that we were trading in the past, like maybe this one in July 2022. This is also Quant Forex. I'm not sure if this link is available, but anyways, this is BRPR. This is Don't Bother Expert Advisor that we were trading in real account last year. And now these links, there are a couple of links that we have created, like you can just check it out, like this one, like 25 minutes ago, so, right? So these are 3 hours ago. So like there are few of the latest one and few are the old ones. So you can just check it out. And in case if you have any question, you can just share it across the link that you just saw. And that will be able, that I would be able to identify like which EA or which expert advisor that you are talking about. So it would be easier for me to respond to you. You can contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the details in the video description itself, and you can just check it out. And the MyFX book portfolio link is also there. So guys, this video is just a presentations of the expert advisor that we were trading during these volatile sessions. And most of the times and most of these accounts are on demo, because we were trading with these expert advisors in the past on real accounts itself. But during these sessions, generally, I stopped trading on real account with expert advisor. But yes, I wanted to check like how these expert advisors are performing during these times. So this is just a review on that. And one more thing, guys, I have just uploaded one video on the Gold Expert Advisor review as well, so you can just check it out that as well. So guys, thank you very much. Thanks for staying with me. If you like the video or if you find any worth in it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and just hit a like button. And anyways, this is just a presentation and a comparison of various expert advisors that we are trading in the past. And most of these videos are available in my YouTube, except couple of. Okay, so like any queries, you can contact me on email and Telegram. Description, I have mentioned all the details, my contact details, email, as well as my Telegram handle in the video description. That will be easier for you to contact me. And so that's pretty much, guys. Thanks for staying with me, and I wish you a very good luck, success, and happiness. Stay safe, stay happy with your family, and enjoy your weekend. Take care. Bye.